Namaskar, friends. Today, let's learn what is intelligence. Intelligence is gained from an external source through books, through universities, through courses, through seminars. You gain intelligence, meaning you are well informed, well acquainted with a particular subject, and you are intelligent in that particular subject, or you can even have great proficiency in it. A person could be a surgeon, a person could be a child accountant, a person could be an engineer, whatever. The intelligence is gained through an external source. You internalize it and you are proficient in a particular field of activity. That is intelligence. And if you ask me, intelligence is very essential. It's important because that helps you in improving your standard of living. If you ask me, we have to work on a standard of living. But the problem is, intelligence doesn't necessarily result in improving the quality of living. Intelligence will help you all the way through, friends. But at the most appropriate time, your intelligence will betray you. The reason being, intelligence, when you're using predominantly, it has that potential of developing your ego. And ego will help you up to a point, but in an important stage in our life, you getting your ego involved with an individual or in a situation destroys your peace, destroys your growth. That's why you will feel helpless, devastated. So, nothing wrong in intelligence. Everything wrong when you allow your ego to manifest along with intelligence. That's why Vedanta highlights, mind and intellect highlights that you got to develop your intellect. Intellect is an equipment you have. It's a gift given, bestowed by divinity. So when you develop an intellect, there is a clarity in thinking as far as life is concerned. Therefore, intelligence plus intellect plus a governed mind makes you a genius. When I say genius, you have everything. You have achieved a lot, and yet you're very humble. And that is how we have to live our life. Humility, not just in your mannerism, in your behavior, but in your thinking. In your thinking, you're humble, you're courteous, you're kind. In fact, that's when you practice ahimsa, non-injury. So, friends, develop your intelligence. It is essential. But make sure you develop your intellect as well. As a result, you don't allow your ego to manifest. You don't give a chance to ego to destroy your personality. And intelligence plus a strong intellect makes you humble, makes you a wise person. And this combination makes you a genius. Think about it. It's time we work on our intellect as well as our intelligence. Namaskar. Friends, if you like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Let more people get benefited. We have over 100 short videos meant for self-development, spiritual alignment. So, and you can also subscribe to our channel, spread this word around, let more people get benefited. Let's do this service to humanity. Let us make people experience happiness and let us help people live their life in a better way, in a glorious way. Thank you.